Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shipping address on Shein after placing the order. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shein app, and from here what we're gonna do is that first you want to make sure that you're currently logged in on your Shein account so that you would be able to see your addresses. And then once you are here, once you're logged in, then what you want to do is tap on the Me button on the bottom right of your screen, and then you would be prompted right here. So you can see your orders right here. You can see the unpaid, processing, ship, review, and returns. And take note that you cannot change the address or edit the address once the parcel or your order has been shipped, or in the review or in the return phase. You cannot change the address anymore. It is only available for unpaid and processing process. So once it is in the unpaid, then from here we're gonna tap on unpaid, and then as you can see, I am able to see the edit address button right here because it is still in the unpaid step right here. So all I have to do now is just simply tap on the edit address right here, and then I can just provide my location, my first name, phone number, and so on right here. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is. And you want to go back now. Once you have done that and tap on save, now you want to go back, and then you can see it right here that it has now been edited, and now you can just check if the address has been changed. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.